Hi Leanne, this is Lee from Artist Digital Marketing. Spoke to Simone in the week, and we said we send you a free video around how you can improve your online presence, some tips and tricks that you can implement immediately so you can get more customers and book more jobs. So first thing I want to go through is your website. As you can see, I've got it open here. Looking at it, I just want to congratulate you. It's a nice looking website, really nice photos that you have going over here. Also, your contact details, your opening times, etc. are nice and visible, so good job on that. Going through around the content of your homepage over here, even though I think it's very nicely laid out, your content, your number of words are sitting at probably about 200 to 300 words of content. And Google recommends that you have at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. The reason for this is that when they go out and crawl websites in the evenings, they're trying to extract the number of keywords from your website, and in order to do so, they need a lot of content to do so. And they want to put those keywords, of course, into their search engine so they can rank you. So if you provide at least 1,500 words of content, then of course you're making the job quite a bit easier to find and rank you. Now, looking at one of your key competitors, this is the number one competitor in Cape Town for electricians from a Google search results point of view. And you'll see that I do like your website quite a bit more. It's a much better laid out website, but from a content perspective, they've got slightly more words, probably about 400 to 500 words of content on their homepage. So they're also not really hitting the mark from a number of words point of view for Google. So if you can increase your word count to 1,500 words, then you can actually beat out these competitors of yours. The next thing I want to go through is the Google search results. When I put in electricians Cape Town, the first thing that comes up, of course, is the Google ads. This is very nice prime real estate. You'll get a lot of traffic coming from these links, from these clicks, coming to your website. But unfortunately, you need to pay to have your links up here. So every time someone clicks on one of these links, then of course you need to pay Google a small amount of money. So in the short term, very nice to get quick traffic to your site, but in the long term, quite expensive. The next thing is around the Google map listing that you'll see here. And this is nice because Google shows the nearby companies that are relevant to your search. And if you're in the top 3 positions over here, then it's also quickly for customers to see your contact number and also your website from here. Statistics actually show that between 30 and 40% of all traffic on this page will actually click on one of these 3 links. So a lot of traffic coming to these 3 links over here. How do you get onto these top 3 positions? Well, you want to increase your number of citations. All that a citation is a combination of your company name, your contact details, and your physical address. If you can get these listed on various directories, you can think about like Gumtree, Yellow Pages, and so forth. Then the more listings you have, the higher you'll be ranked in these positions over here. I normally try to go for between 100 and 200 listings or citations at least, so that I can guarantee myself a spot in these top 3 positions and get all that traffic. The third thing I want to look at is the organic search results. So this is what Google finds is the most relevant to what you've typed into the search bar. And it's also very important to be in the top 3 positions because statistics show that 29% of all people will click on the first link that they see, 15% on the second link, and then 10% on the third link. Only less than 9% of people will go past the first page in Google. So very important to be in these top 3 positions because you'll get a lot of traffic coming to your website, which of course is potential jobs. So how do you get into these top 3 positions? I'll show you that next. We use a tool called Ahrefs, and what this allows us to do is put in your website, like I have yours over here, and it spits out a bunch of numbers. These numbers are important because this is what Google will also see, and they will use to actually rank your website. The first thing over here is the UR. This is your trust rating. This is how much Google trusts your website. So you're sitting at a 1 at the moment, so it's something we'd like to improve, of course. DR is your power index, and this is how strong you are in Google's context. We're sitting at a 0 here. So you want to get these numbers nice and high so you can rank a bit higher on Google. Now the things that are really going to determine how you rank on your organic search result is your backlinks and referring domains. So you want to get these numbers as high as possible because the higher these numbers and also good quality, the higher you'll get ranked. All that a backlink is a link from another website to your website. It's basically a shout out from their website to your website. And the referring domains is those actual websites pointing to you. So the higher the number you can get here, of course, the better you'll do, but also not all backlinks are created equal. There's different quality of backlinks, and they'll also determine where you get ranked. At the moment, Google is picking up about 36 organic keywords from your website. It's also a number you could potentially try to grow over time. And you're getting about 25 people per month finding your website through Google. So also, and this is the number that you'd like to grow so you can get more traffic and of course book more jobs and get more customers. So if we look at your competitor that we looked at earlier, their trust rating sitting at a 13, their strength index at 10, so a bit higher than yours. They also have 914 backlinks with 27 referring domains. And this is one of the main reasons, of course, where they are number one on Google. But these are all very, very beatable. And this reflects on the organic traffic. So they're getting 158 people every month finding their website through Google. And this is traffic coming to your competitor's website and not to yours. So this is really something you'd like to get to your website, of course. Google's extracting 82 different keywords. So let's take a look at what these keywords are. So one of the keywords extracted from the website is electrician in Cape Town. So very relevant to yours, of course, as well. And you'll see from a volume perspective, there's 450 people every month searching this keyword. And because this is your main competitor, they're getting about a third of this traffic to their website every month. So a lot of potential clients going to their site and not to yours. And you'll see all the other relevant search terms here as well. Electrician Cape Town electrician. A lot of traffic here that you could be getting as well. So let's just summarize quickly. From a homepage perspective, you want to increase your content, your count of words to 1,500 words or more, so Google can find you and rank you easily. You would like to, if you want to be in the top 3 rankings in the Google Map listing, you want to increase the number of citations with the various directories. And if you want to be a top 3 of the organic search result, you want to increase the number of backlinks and referring domains that you have pointing to your website, while remaining high quality backlinks, of course. So like I said, all these are tips and tricks that you can use immediately to improve your website and get more traffic. And I really hope you do so you can get more customers. I would just ask if you can just drop me a line of feedback to let me know if you've found this video useful. I'm trying to help out a bunch of local businesses in the area, and your feedback will be much appreciated. If you want to find out any more information around this, or you want me to maybe help you to actually get this traffic, please reach out to me. I'd be more than willing to help you. Have a great day. Cheers.